History classics, what books and burial tell us? Question number one, which is the oldest Veda among the four Vedas? Answer, the oldest Veda is Rig Veda. Question number two, in which language Rig Veda was written? Answer, the Rig Veda is an old or Vedic Sanskrit. Question number three, as per Rig Veda, why battles were fought? Answer, battles were fought for cattle, land, water, and for capturing people. Question number four, what are megaliths? Answer, stone boulders used to mark burial sites are known as megaliths. Question number five, where was the page from the manuscript of the Rig Veda found? Answer, this manuscript of the Rig Veda on birch bark was found in Kashmir. 6. Why yajanas or sacrifices were performed? Answer, yajanas or sacrifices were performed to please gods and goddesses. Question number 7. Which language belongs to the Dravidian family? Answer, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Malayalam belongs to the Dravidian family. Question number 8. Which language belongs to the Tibeto-Burman family? Answer, language used in the northeast belongs to the Tibetan Burman family. Question number 9. Name the sites where skeleton was found with 33 gold beads, 2 stones beads and 4 copper bangles and 1 conch shell. Answer, Brahmagiri. Question number 10. What is Sukta? Answer, the Rig Veda includes more than 1,000 hymns called Sukta or well said. Question number 11. Name 4 Vedas. There are 4 uh, Vedas, the Rig Veda, Sama and Yajur and Atharva Veda. Question number 12. What do people at Inagman eat? The people at Inagman ate wheat, barley, rice, pulses, millet and bees and same. Question number 13. How were yajanas performed? Answer, yajanas were performed by offering ghee and grains into the fire in order to please God and goddesses. Question number 14. How slaves were treated? Answer, they were treated as the property of their owners who could make them to whatever work they wanted. Question number 15. Which language belongs to the Austro-Asiatic family? The languages spoken in Jharkhand and part of central India belongs to the Austro-Asiatic family. Number 16. Where the practices of erecting megaliths was prevalent? Answer, the practice of erecting megaliths was prevalent throughout the Deccan, South India, in Northeast and Kashmir. Question number 17. Who was Charaga? Answer, about 2000 years ago, there was famous physician named Charaga who wrote a book on medicine known as the Charaga Samhita. Question number 18. Why were portholes used for? Answer, the portholes were used as an entrance. Through these portholes, the bodies of family members who died later were brought into the grave. Question number 19. Which two words were used to describe the people or the community as whole? Answer, one was the word jana, which we still use in Hindi and other languages. The other was wish. The word Vaishyas comes from wish. Question number 20. Name the two groups described in terms of their work. Answer, there are two groups who are described in terms of their work. The priest, sometimes called the Brahmins, who performed various rituals, and the Rajas. Number 21. Where some burial spots meant for certain families? Answer, sometimes megaliths contains more than one skeleton. These indicate that people perhaps belongs to the same family. were buried in the same place, though not at the same time. Question number 22. What were oracle bones? Answer. Around 3500 years ago, we find some of the first evidence of writing in China. These writings were on animal bones. These are called oracle bones because they were used to predict the future. Question number 23. What do circle of stone boulders or a single large stone standing on the ground indicates? Answer. Sometimes archaeologists find a circle of stone boulders or single large stone standing on the ground. These are the only indication that there are burial beneath. Question number 24. In what ways are the books we read today different from the Rig Veda? Answer. The books we use are written and printed. The Rig Veda was recited and heard rather than read. It was written down several countries after it was first composed and printed less than 200 years ago. Question number 25. Differentiate between Aryas and Dasas. Answer. Aryas, the people who composed the hymns described themselves as the Aryas. Dasas, Aryas called their opponent Dasas or Dasyus. These were people who did not perform sacrifice and probably spoke different languages. Question number 26. What kind of evidence from burial do archaeologists use to find out whether there were social differences among those who were buried? Objects were found in the grave of the dead person. Sometimes more objects are found in one grave than another. These finds suggest that there was some difference in status among the people who were buried. Some were rich, others poor. Some people, some cheap, others followers. Question number 27. In what ways do you think that the life of Rajas was different from that of Dasa or Dasi? Raja was powerful leader who used to rule, whereas they were Dasas often captured in war. Rajas was free person, whereas they were treated as a property of their owners, who could make them to do whatever work they wanted. The Rajas led a luxurious life, whereas Dasas led a miserable life. Question number 28. How horses, cattle, chariot, and battles are depicted in Rig Veda? Answer. There are many prayers in Rig Veda for cattle, horses, chariot, and battles. Horses were yoked to chariots that were used in battles, which were fought to capture cattle. Battles were also fought for land, which was important for pastures and for growing early crops that ripened quickly, such as barley. Some battles were fought for water and to capture the people. Question number 29. Write a note on Rig Veda. Answer. The oldest Veda is the Rig Veda, composed about 3500 years ago. The Rig Veda includes more than a thousand hymns called Sukhada or well said. These hymns are in praise of various gods and goddesses. Three gods are especially important: Agni, the god of fire, Indra, a warrior of God, and Soma, a plant from which a special drink was prepared. These hymns were composed by sages, rishis. Most of the hymns were composed, taught, learned by men. A few were composed by women. The Rig Veda is an old or Vedic Sanskrit. Question number 13. Write a short note on the wars fought in the Rig Vedic period. Answer. Battles were fought for cattle, land, water, and to capture people. Some of the wealth that was obtained was kept by the leaders, some was given to the priest, and rest was distributed to among the people. Some wealth was used for the performance of yajanas or sacrifices, in which offering were made into the fire. These were meant for gods and goddesses. Most men took part in these wars. There was no regular army, but there were assemblies where people met and discussed matter of war and peace. They also chose leaders who were often brave and skillful warriors.